All right, Jim, thank you. Well, Cornell University has been using this field for research for the past 80 years now. But just recently, they've added something new, robotics. They're using new technology and working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture to create resiliency in the field.
And News Channel 9's Lindsay Rachel went to Musgrave Research Farm in Aurora and explains the emerging field of digital agriculture.
All right, I'm going to take off right now.
This massive drone and this rover aren't just taking pictures. They're collecting data, saving money and saving time.
The results coming from this can be used to drive breeding efforts to make better corn varieties that then create cheaper food, cheaper fuel, but then also it can be used to help the farmers who actually grow corn every season.
Why does using the drone make that better or easier to see?
Well, we got 1,600 varieties out here right now. If I was going to do that by eye, it would take me days. I can do it in 30 minutes with the drone.
30 minutes to view and record information from a bird's eye view, and researchers aren't stopping there.
When you're looking at corn from above, you're quite a ways away, and the multispectral cameras on the drone do a good job of assessing things like disease and plant health. The rover, though, has sensors on it that allow us to assess the size and shape of the plants, and so as they grow, it's right there on the ground with them.
Researchers are upping the agriculture game by evaluating plant health from the day they come out of the ground.
When I think about what we're trying to do, I think about baseball. And when you have a baseball player, you look at their batting average over the season. But to really understand the performance of that baseball player, you want to know what their batting average is for every single game that they play.
The evolution of this technology, tell me a little bit about it.
So this rover has come all the way from concept to what you're seeing now in a matter of two and a half years. And so the technology really has a lot of momentum and is moving and changing quite quickly.
So quickly that over the coming years, these could be operating on their own, boosting a field that covers nearly a quarter of New York State.
In my opinion, maybe I'm a little biased, but it's the most important field because it feeds us all, and it really supports their upstate New York economy.
In Aurora, Lindsay Rachel, News Channel 9.
That is amazing. This technology is growing so fast. They say there are not many hurdles they won't be able to overcome.
They certainly have all the tools at Cornell. And that means this research will apply to more than just corn. They can use it when farming soy, grapes, even dairy.